how to cook without oil. That's a good question, and I think a very hard one to answer, because what we are used to is to put a lot of oil in every recipe. But is oil really necessary? Or needed? Is healthy? I don't think so. My recommendation will be to try to have all the ingredients ready and have your casserole or your skillet ready in the stove in a medium heat temperature, and put the vegetables, for example, if you want to saute them, there, and with their same juices, they will be able to cook, they will be able to be brown and be very nice and taste very good. But also you can add some onions, and onions will help you in the process. Or you can add garlic, will be great too. Even you can make a paste of garlic that if you have the garlic, you peel them and you put them in a food processor, and the garlic by itself will release some oil, and when you put it in the cooking process will be great. So try it. I even made rice without any oil and was excellent.